Hi everyone, let's make a line graph in Microsoft Word. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. First, from insert, go to charts. Here we have different types. For example, I selected scatter. Here you can select the preferred one. Okay, I selected this one. Okay, good. Here appears a window of Microsoft Excel and a graph window. You can change its value. For example, I make it 1, 2, 3, and 5. You can change it. Also, I change this one 3, 6, 2, and 1. Okay. You can change the data or you can directly insert the data to this Microsoft Excel window. Okay. Now I remove this one. Here you can change its property to control the plot window. Just change this one. Okay, now I can move it to the desired location. I can change its size. I want to add access title. Okay, change. You can change. Double click on it and change X, for example. Okay, for example, I want to add legend. Data label legend. You can add legend as you see here. That's all. Have a nice day.